Alrighty, welcome back to the channel. We're gonna do LED lights. We got the parking light, low beam, and high beam. Okay, and we're gonna go from this to this. Okay, so to do this, we have to take off this cover here, this plastic, and also the speedometer here. You got two bolts underneath here, and then two push tabs, one over here and one over there. And shout out to Greek Power, because he suggested to do this video because I did the LED lights on the Busa here. So he was like, do it on the V-Strom 650. So here we go. All right, so these push tabbies, you push it in like this. Alright, so this you're gonna pop it upwards and then forward. Just like that. Okay, now to remove the cluster, you have to loosen this screw here. Push tabby, same thing on the other side. And now we have access to the low beam bulb. Okay, so you're gonna remove this cover. Okay, we're gonna remove the plug here, just like so. And then this clippy thing. And that's your low beam bulb. Okay, so this one is going to be replaced by this one right here. Alright, so I'm going to install the LED bulb. This part here goes upwards, just like that. I'm going to put back the spring that holds it. Okay, that's on. Okay, and before I put that all together, back again, I'm gonna make sure it works, because LED bulbs sometimes only work one way while you plug in the connector, meaning that if it doesn't work, you gotta spin it over the other side. So let's see if this works. Okay, that is working. Okay, now I'm gonna put this cover back on. That's on. I'm gonna put the cluster or the plastics back together. And then from underneath, I'm gonna do the high beam and the parking light. Okay, and when you put the cluster back on, this plastic piece goes on top of this part here. And when you put these clips back in, you're gonna push them outwards like this. You're gonna install it and then push on it. Okay, now we're gonna go underneath to change the high beam bulb. That one is up here. So you just grab it, give it a twist, and bam, comes off. Just like that. So this bulb is gonna be replaced with this. As you can see, it has a fan to cool it down because they do get pretty hot. So once you put it in, give it a twist. And also I want to note that once you put it in and it locks in, you can spin the bulb itself. I'm gonna put it this way. LED diodes are pointing sideways. So that's gonna mirror the headlight in there, if you see those lines. And then I'm gonna plug it back in. And then I'm gonna use a zip tie to hold the excess wire so it's not flopping around. Okay, now let's make sure that works. Okay, that didn't work, so I'm gonna spin it around. Second effort. That's nice and bright, huh? And you can tell the difference, LEDs with the regular bulbs, the color. It might be hard from the camera, but one is like really yellowish, the other one is more like white. Okay, now we're gonna move to the parking bulb. It's this one right here. And the parking bulb is located right here. Just pop that off. Pull it out. We got the new one here. Stick it in. Okay, let's see if that works. Oh yeah. Not a hard job to do. It'll take you about half an hour at most. Okay, and there you have it, guys. It's all set. So if any of the bulbs don't work, like I said before, turn them around, the plugs, because they're LEDs, which means it's a diode. They only work one way sometimes. So yeah, if it doesn't work, turn it around and you'll be good. All right, so this bike is Monotalk USA approved. It has a sticker now.
Yeah, we ran out of patience for your love with the cold hard hatred. I can feel the vibration, feet in the streets, it's a new sensation. I wanna break faces.
All right, that's gonna be it for today, guys. So thank you for watching, and hopefully you subscribe and give us one of these.